Because they're free to use now, aren't they? Like you can,
and to text.
And to text.
Right.
So.
But now they're free. They have Wi-Fi if you're near the phone box too. Have to pick up, dial your phone number, have your money ready, and once they picked up, drop your money in, so the call would end up being connected properly. Old Norm would ring up, or tell me to go to the phone and ring up and say, we want to nominate the dog and we'll send the nom form down the next day. And that afternoon you'd have to go back down to the phone box and ring them up and see if the
So my daughter was asking me and my wife about like what these things were. So my wife was like, it's a payphone, you can call anybody you want for free off it. So we'll ring Poppy because he'd be the only person that'll pick up a private number. And he did. So my daughter loved it.
That's how we used to call each other because we didn't have any mobile, and they used to be everywhere.
It was a luxury thing.